Extend your arms, especially Wilson, so you don't get armbarred reaching out. Let's go. Get that leg. Don't forget your singles. Use the jacket. That's it. Get your grips. Front trip. Come on. Commit to it. That's it. Oh no. Good work, kids. Stay chest to chest. Freeze, freeze. Okay. Go. Stay chest to chest, Wilson.
I got one.
He's getting points.
Get up and throw him right away. Red up by 2 so far. Get off the bag. Declan, get off the bag. There's no bags in the tournament. Let's go. Nice, nice. Red up by 4. Come on, Declan, pick it up.
Get up and throw him.
Roll him over and hold him down. Get your 4 points back. Ignore the beep. If it beeps, ignore it. Keep working. That's it. Hold. Get him off of you. Keep working. Keep working. Ignore that. We still got like 2 minutes. Working. Red. 6 red.
On deck.
Good. Get him off of you. You're like 3 seconds away from losing.
Oh, oh, oh.
Come on, Wilson, finish it. Drag the elbow down.